Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about iframe tags. What is iframe tag? Iframe tag is a holder for external links. Suppose there is an external link which we want to show in our own page. We don't have their code, so we cannot take their HTML and add in our page. What we have is their URL. So we want to add their URL in our page. For that we use iframe tag. In iframe tag we can embed external pages like external HTML, external map, external video. You might have seen in YouTube, when you go to a YouTube video, you hit the share option, you get multiple share option. You get a pop-up where you get all the options to share that URL to different social media channels and a direct link, and with that you get an option to embed. Similarly, if you go to a Google map, you search a location and you want to share that, then also you get that embed option. So I'll show you here. If you go to Dumka Engineering College map, you want to share it to somebody, you see all the social media channels where you can share this link. You can directly copy this link, and also you have an option to embed a map. So you don't want to share it to somebody, you want to show it in your website. Like in Dumka Engineering College's website, we want to show this map. We cannot add map directly, we don't have source code to add in the in our web page. So we get an embed link. What is an embed link? It's a link where we have HTML tag, that is iframe tag, with that map URL. So iframe tag with this URL is the embed a map code. So you can see this iframe and this URL, which you can copy and paste it here. So let's copy this HTML and paste it. So you can get this map embedded in our HTML page. You can set the height and width. So in that area, that map will be visible. And how this map is visible in this iframe is through this URL. Now let's embed a video.
Hello everyone. Kilo code is.
So here we have this share option. Click here, we get embed option. Click here and copy this code. And paste it here. So now we have the YouTube video in our website. So you can see all these embed codes use iframe. They have some dedicated embed URLs which will not open directly in the browser, only it will open in the iframe. And then you can set height, width, title and the rest of the thing. Now how to embed our own page? So let's fetch one HTML URL from XLS. Go to this. So this is not the direct URL. This is the URL we are interested in. Okay. So we'll try to embed it here. Iframe src, this URL, right? Let's bring it at the top. Give it a width. Okay, so this way we can embed our own HTML URLs. So if you go to this workshop page, you can see I'm displaying all the preview of your HTML profiles. So did you check? Did you ever wonder how I'm doing this? I'm not adding your code in this page. How can I show this live preview of your web page? So I have used iframes, multiple iframe for each entry, right? So with the help of iframe, I am able to display web preview of your profiles. And if you go to this, now you see there is a header and then your profile page. Earlier you can access directly this URL, but now I have added a header here because I wanted to add analytics, like, and other buttons in this web page, which I cannot do directly in your HTML without modifying your HTML. So I have added this header, and in this page I have added one iframe where your URL is added. So in this web page I can add my own code and other external URLs using the iframe. If you go to this source, you can see this is source code of this page, this profile viewer page, okay, and then there is a iframe, okay. Where I am displaying your page. You can see that using the tool. See, this is the iframe inside this div tag. And if you go here, you can see I have used UI, UL, LI tags, and inside each LI I have used iframe. Right? If you go to each LI, there is an iframe. So 628 iframes have been used here to display your profiles. So these are the various use cases to use iframe to add preview of any external HTML, embed a video, embed map, or host a full HTML page inside a viewer, inside a container. Why cannot I just go and copy your HTML and add it in this web page? What will happen? I have source code of your HTML. So when programmatically I can go to this web page, get the HTML and add it in this web page. What will happen? So I have some CSS style applied to this page, and you have applied some CSS to this web page. If I get the HTML and add it in this web page, that CSS will conflict and your style will change based on my CSS. If I have some background color to some div, parent div, that will apply to your page also. So to avoid that, to not conflict with the external HTML, we use iframe, because iframe does not use parent page's CSS. It's totally to display the external web page. So in XLS page only I have used these two places, one to display the preview and one for hosting the whole page, right? So you can host your own page, map, videos and any other external things using the iframe.